Good morning, class. I am your English teacher, Gaurav Rai. Welcome you on the online learning platform. Today, we will read chapter number 2, Bringing Up Curry. We have read in the earlier video. So, today, we will read part 2 from page number 10. So, student, be careful and come on the topic. Pay attention so that you know that what had happened in the story. Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room, wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission, a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. In the last class, we read that the bananas were disappeared from the dining room, and firstly it was thought that the bananas were stolen by the keeper, the boy. So come on the next. So next day, while the boy, the keeper, was sitting in the dining room, and he was surprised whether I should take some fruit. He was thinking that he should take some fruit from the table without the permission of his parents. So he saw on that time a long black thing, very much like a snake. The black thing that was looking just like a snake suddenly came through the window, entered from the window much like a snake, and disappeared with all the bananas. And that black thing disappeared, vanished from the place, from the dining room, from the window, with all the bananas. And I was very much frightened because I had never seen snakes eat bananas, and I thought it must be a terrible snake that would sneak in and take fruit. So what had happened? I was very much frightened. The boy was very frightened, terrified, afraid of, because he had never seen a snake, the snake who eats bananas. And he thought that it must be a terrible, dreadful, frightful, bhayanak snake that would sneak. What do you mean by snake? The snake is a term here. Sneak in, enter noiselessly, and take fruit. He thought that it is a frightful, terrible, dreadful snake that would come from the window silently without making noise and take the fruits. I crept out of the dining of the room, and with a great fear in my heart ran out of the house, feeling sure that the snake would come back into the house, eat all the fruits, and kill all of us. So the boy went out from the room, and because he was terrified, he was very afraid. He was afraid of great fear. He was in great fear. In my heart ran out of the house, and he came out from the house, feeling sure that, and he was sure that the snake would come once again into the house, eat all the fruit, and kill all of the member of the family. As I went out, I saw Curry's back disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, and I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. And as I came out from the house, I saw Curry's back. I saw my Curry's back. Curry means my elephant's back. Disappearing means the elephant was going towards the pavilion. Pavilion means, what do you mean by the term pavilion? Pavilion means he was going into his large tent. And I was so frightened. I was very I was in terrible condition. I was much frightened, much afraid of that. I wanted his company, so I needed his company to cheer me up, because I wanted to cheer me, made me happy. On that moment when I was terrified, I ran after him into the pavilion and I found him there eating bananas. And when I reached there, I got that Curry, the elephant, was eating bananas. I stood still in astonishment. The bananas were lying strewn all around him. And what had happened when I reached there, I found that into the pavilion, there my elephant was eating bananas, and I stood still in astonishment, in surprised. I became surprised. The bananas were lying strewn means scattered all around in the pavilion, all around him, all around the elephant Curry. He stretched out his trunk and he opened his trunk and reached far away from where he was standing. And he was opening his trunk to take the banana from his position, from his place where he was standing. In that instant, the trunk looked like a black snake, and I realized that Curry was the thief. And that moment, I felt that it was not a black snake. I found that I found that he was the elephant, his Curry. He is the thief. He has stolen the bananas. So I went to him, pulled him out by the ear, and joyously showed my parents that it was Curry and not I that had eaten all the fruits these many weeks. So I went near my elephant Curry, pulled him by force, by taking his ear, by holding his ear with joy, and showed to my parents that it was Curry, not I. And he was stealing bananas, fruit, from many weeks. Then I scolded him. Scolded him means rebuked. मैंने डांटा. Scolded means डांटना, rebuked. For elephants understand words as well as children. And I said to him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. I scolded him. मैंने उसे डांटा. For elephants understand words, and elephants understand the words as well as children. Elephants can understand the words just like a children. And I said to him, next time I see you stealing, I scolded him and said to him that if I will get you next time to steal the bananas, I will whip you. You will be whipped. What do you mean by the term whipped? Beat with a lash, कोड़ों से मारना. He knew that we were all angry with him, even the servants. His pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room. And Curry was knowing that everyone was angry. Everyone was angry with him. And the servants, even the servants. And his pride was so injured that he never stole another thing from the dining room. And his self-respect was so injured, he felt so ashamed that he never stole anything from the dining room. If anybody gave him any fruit, he always squealed as if to thank them. And he always squealed, make a trumpet. Trumpet means cry, as if to thank them. If anybody will give him anything, he always make a trumpet, cry. Trumpet means the sound of the elephant, squealed, as if to thank them, just like he was thanking to the person who is giving something to him. An elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong, but if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. An elephant is willing to be punished. You can punish the elephant if the elephant does anything wrong, but if you will punish him without any reason, he will return you back the same thing, whatever you will do with him. An elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow. You teach him these things as you teach a child. If you say dhat and pull him by the ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. An elephant must be taught just like a children, when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow, just like a child. And if you say him dhat and pull his ear, pull him by the ear, he will slowly, gradually learn to sit down by saying the word dhat, dhat, and by holding his ear. Understand? Similarly, if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn that it is the signal to walk. Signal to walk. And if you will say Mali and you will pull his trunk forward straight, and then the elephant will gradually, slowly learn that it is the signal to walk. It is the signal to walk. Curry learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn that. He was no good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Because he grows taller and taller than you who take care of him, so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach his back with a ladder. And Curry learned Mali after 3 lessons. Curry learned Mali, and after Mali is a lesson to walk. And after learning this lesson, Curry learned Mali, and after that 3 lessons he also learned. But it took him 3 weeks to learn that, and he had taken 3 weeks only to learn that. That means to sit. Understand? He was no good at sitting down, and Curry was not good in sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Why? Because if the elephant will grow taller and taller, then you who take care of him, and so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, and when the elephant will be 2 or 3 years old, you will only reach on his back with a ladder, and it is not possible. It is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying that, so that you can climb upon his back. For who would want to carry a ladder around all the time? It is not possible to carry a ladder every time, so you must train the elephant to sit down by the lesson of dhat. Understand? So that it will be easy for you to sit on his back easily. The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. And the most difficult and important teaching for the elephant is master call, and generally it takes 5 years to learn the lesson. And the master call is what? The strange hissing. Hissing is a sound that is produced by the snake, and howling is a sound that is produced by the tiger when they were fighting to each other, and as if a snake and a tiger were fighting with each other. And you have to make that kind of noise in his ear. And if you want to train the elephant, you have to use this type of noise in his ear. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him the master call? If you are lost in the jungle and there is no way out and everything is black except the stars above, you dare not stay very long anywhere. The only thing to do then is to give the master call, and at once the elephant pulls down the tree in front of him with his trunk. This frightens all the animals away. As you know that. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him the master call? When you give the master call, what will you expect? If you suppose that if you have lost your way in the jungle, and especially in the night, and you are all black night, and only you are observing, watching stars, you dare not stay very long anywhere, and you have not the courage to stay at a long time in the forest. On that time you must use master call, and the only thing to do then is to give the master call. And at once the elephant, what will elephant do? The elephant pulls down the tree. The elephant will break the tree in front of him with his trunk. The elephant will break the tree, pull down the tree in front of him with his trunk, and this frightens all the animals away. And because of pulling down the tree by his trunk, this frightens, and all the animals will be frightened, terrified. All the animals away. They will leave their way. As the tree comes crashing down, monkeys wake from their sleep and run from branch to branch. And what will happen? All the animals will leave the way as the tree comes crashing down, and when the tree will be crashed, broken, monkeys will wake from their sleep, and they will run from branch to branch because of breaking the tree by the elephant with the help of his trunk. Understand? And you can see them in the moonlight, and you can almost see the stacks running in all directions below. And what you will see, you can see them in the moonlight, and you can see all the scene in the moonlight, and you can almost see the stacks. What do you mean by the term? The stag means male red deer. The male red deer will run in all directions below. You can watch in the night because of breaking of the tree, because of the light. You can hear the growl of the tiger in the distance, even he is frightened, and you can also hear the growling It is a noise that is produced by the. It is a sound that is produced by the tiger. You can hear the growling sound of the tiger from the distance, and even he is frightened. Who is frightened? The tiger is frightened, afraid of. डरा है, फिर भी you can hear the sound of the tiger growling sound. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next. So you will find that he has made a road right through the jungle straight in your house. And you will get that the elephant will pull down the next tree and the next tree and the next one after another. And soon you will find that he has made a road. The elephant has made a road for you in the jungle, and that road will be straight road in front of you, and that will go towards your house. The chapter is written by the writer. Name is Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. Understand? And from Kari the elephant. So I hope that you have understood the chapter. We will come on the question answer.